Hi friends, now we will discuss some of the fields in sales document type controls. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also like the video and share this video with your friends. Now, sales document type. So this will tell about the type of the sales document, that is whether it is order, inquiry, quotation or consignment fill up, consignment issue, consignment pickup. So if it is order, it is OR, and we can create our own sales document type like ZOR, like that. And next, sales document category. This field controls the functioning of the sales document, that is whether it is inquiry or quotation or sales order. Suppose if it is in standard, if it is sales document type is inquiry IN, the sales document category should be A. But if you maintain C, so the uh, document will behave as sales order. So like that. So for sales document category, inquiry it is A, quotation B, sales order, rush order C, and free of charge I, subsequent delivery of free of charge I, returns H. So like that we have sales document categories. And next, sales document block. So if you maintain sales document block as X here, if you maintain X here, so then system will not allow to create sales document with that document type. Suppose if you maintain OR here and if you maintain X, so you cannot create a sales document with type OR. So that is the meaning. Next, indicator. So indicator, so we maintain indicator only for invoice correction request, that is RK. Sales document type RK, we maintain indicator, and here we maintain indicator for RK as D. So indicator D controls that each line item from the invoice will be copied as two line items in invoice correction request document. Next, number systems. Here we have number range internal assignment, number range external assignment. So here in number range internal assignment, number range external assignment. So here if you maintain some number, so according to that number, the document number is taken. So you have certain ranges, some like for 01, it may be assigned like 55 50000 to 5999, something like that. So from that uh, uh, the document number is assigned. So in the same way 02 also will have some range. So according to that it will take the document number. And next is item number increment. So this field controls how the line item number should be incremented in sales document. So while creating sales document, so the line items numbering, how it should be incremented. So first line item 10, second line item 20. So if you maintain increment as 10, you will get numbering like that 10, 20, 30. If you maintain here 5, you will get 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. And we have sub item increment. This field controls how the sub item number should be incremented in the sales document. So in the case of BOM, bill of materials, we have sub items. So that sub items, how it should be incremented means by the difference of 1, if you maintain 1 here. Next, we see reference mandatory. So this field controls whether any preceding document is required or not to create a sales document. So this reference mandatory in standard for RK and SDF. So we know RK is invoice correction request. SDF subsequent delivery of free of charge. So for this we have a reference mandatory. So for RK means if the sales document is RK, so reference mandatory we maintain is M, that is nothing but invoice. And if it is SDF subsequent delivery of free of charge, we maintain, here it is C. In the reference mandatory we will maintain is C. C means then nothing but order. Next here we have check division. So this field controls how system should respond if the division in the header deviates from the division in the item. So there is something about whether to give warning message or error message or no message. So in the header and the line item, if the division deviates, so how the system should respond, so we can control from this field. Suppose if you maintain this as blank, so if the division for the line item and division in the header deviates, so won't get any warning message or error message. So if you maintain here 1, you will get warning message, and if you maintain 2, you will get error message. Next here we have item division. So if you check this, then the line item division in sales document will be copied from material master, and if you uncheck, the line item division in the sales document will be copied from header division. Next we have read info record. If you check this, then system will read CMIR and system will determine it into sales document. So means if you check, so the CMIR customer material info record will be read and system will determine this information in the sales document. If you uncheck, so then system will not read CMIR and system will not determine it into sales document. So next check purchase order number. So this will help to restrict the duplication of the sales order. So here if you maintain check purchase order number, so then while creating sales order, system will check the combination of customer and PO number in the previous orders. So if the same combination exists, then system will give warning message. So here we will generally maintain A here. Next we have enter PO number. So if you check enter PO number, then while creating sales order, if PO number is blank, then system will copy sales order number as PO number, and if the sales order number and PO number is same, so from that user will identify that, so we did not receive the PO copy, means that user will identify, so they did not receive the PO copy from the customer. Next we have commitment date. So if you maintain this, then system will display extra field in the schedule lines tab. That is nothing but committed quantity. So any order with committed quantity will be given first preference while delivering the goods to customer. So and here we have probability. So this field controls the chances of converting inquiry and quotation into sales order. So probability is only applicable for inquiry and quotation. So here so generally this is enabled only for inquiry and quotation, and in standard for inquiry probability will be 30% and for quotation it is maintained 70%. So means this is enabled only for document categories A and B. Next we have check credit limit. So this field controls whether to go for simple credit check or automatic credit check. So if you want to go for simple credit check, So then maintain check credit limit as A or B or C. And if you want to go for automatic credit check, then maintain it as D. And here A stands for in the case of simple credit check, A stands for run simple credit check, give warning message. B, run simple credit check, give error message. C, run simple credit check and block the delivery. Next we have a credit group. So this field controls which transaction should be blocked if the customer credit limit exceeds. That is, has to block order or delivery or PGI. So this credit group is applicable only for automatic credit check. Next we have a screen sequence group. So this field controls which screen should be displayed while creating sales document. So for order in general we will maintain AU. So next we have incompletion procedure. So this field controls this field consists of a list of mandatory fields. So it is a procedure which consists of list of mandatory fields which user has to enter while creating sales document, and if any of mandatory field is missing in the sales document, then either system will not allow to save the sales document, or even if the system allow to save the document, so it will be incomplete and system will not allow to process the incomplete document. And next we have transaction group. So this field controls the T codes of sales document types. So here it is 0 means nothing but order. For inquiry it is 1, quotation will be maintained is 2, contracts 4, schedule agreement 3, item proposal 5, like that. Next we have document pricing procedure. So this field is one of the parameter to determine pricing procedure in the sales document. So in standard we maintain document pricing procedure as A. So next we have a status profile. Status profile is a order release process. So after creating sales order by end user, order will be sent to authorized person to cross check and release. Then authorized person will cross check the order, then even everything is fine, he will release the order. So then only system will allow to create the delivery. So next here we have alternate sales document type 1 and alternate sales document type 2. So this will help to shift the sales document from one document type to another document type. And here we have a display range. So this is in case of VOM. So this field controls whether to display all items or only main items in the case of VOM, that is nothing but bill of materials. So if you want to display all items, then maintain here U all. And if you want to maintain only main items, or if you want to display only main items, so then you have to maintain U H A U. Next we have here F code for overview screen. So this field controls which screen should be displayed by default while creating the sales order. Next we have quotation messages. If you maintain this while creating sales order, system checks for the for this customer if there are any open quotations exist or not. So if yes, then system will propose the list. And here we maintain quotation messages are A as A or B. So A means check at header level, B means check at item level. So in the same way we have here outline agreement messages. So if you maintain this, then while creating sales order, system checks for this customer, is there any open contracts existing or not. So if yes, then system will propose the list. Next we have here incomplete messages. So this field controls whether to save the incomplete document or not. So if you check this, then system will not allow to save the incomplete document. And if you uncheck this, then system will allow to save the incomplete document, but the status of the document will be incomplete only. Next, in the shipping, we have delivery type. If you maintain delivery type here, then system automatically determines it while creating the delivery. If you maintain LF, so system will determine the delivery type while creating the delivery. Then we have for standard we have delivery type LF, and for cash sale BV returns LRs, like that. Next here we have immediate delivery. So we maintain immediate delivery for only cash sale and rush order, CS and RO. For cash sale or rush order, we maintain immediate delivery as X or A. And we have a delivery block. So if you maintain delivery block, then system will automatically block the order for delivery. So then the authorized person has to cross check and release the delivery block. So then only system will allow to create the delivery. And here we have a shipping conditions. If you maintain shipping conditions in the sales document type controls, then system will give first preference to that while determining shipping point into sales document. So here we maintain shipping conditions here only for cash sale and rush order. So here we maintain for cash sale and rush order shipping conditions as 10, and 10 means it is immediate shipping. And in the billing we have a delivery related billing type and order related billing type. So we maintain here. So if you maintain billing type here, then system automatically determines while creating the invoice. So in standard we maintain billing type as F2, and for cash sales it is BV. For returns RE credit memos G2, debit memo L2, pro forma invoice if it is order related, if it is F5, pro forma invoice delivery related F8, intercompany invoice IV. So like that we have billing types. And here we have a billing block also. So if you maintain billing block here, system automatically block the order for billing, then authorized person has to cross check and remove the block, then only system will allow to create invoice. And here we have a billing plan types. So we have two types of billing plans, that is periodic billing and milestone billing. So periodic billing means billing based on the regular intervals, that is monthly billing or quarterly billing or yearly billing, so etc. And milestone billing means it is activity based billing, nothing but billing based on the work done. So friends, these are some of the important fields in sales document type controls. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.